Good PM. Today is April 4, 2024 Thursday, and here are the 3 PM SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 PM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, April 4, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 PM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 4, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of April 4, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.